Greetings once again from the Hair Gym in Garcia, Hernandez, Bohol, as the excitement and action starts with our Governor's Cup 2023 Finals, Game 2 of the Juniors Division. This is Tagbilaran City versus Jagna. Tagbilaran City leads the series 1-0. Jagna needs a win to stay alive in this tournament. As Golondrina hits an early three from the outside. Morata, we talked about kanina sa interview kung how healthy and ready he is to play this ball game. Kaya na-injury lagi siya. And Jagna with the 2 points on the other end. Early 5-0 lead. Courtesy of Bero. Again, the story of this game will be how healthy Horace Morata is this game. This Horace Morata guy scored 56 big points pag game 1. Health is a huge factor if Tagbilaran wants to be able to get the championship. And right on cue, Morata scores on the 2 points. But Nunez answers right back for Jagna. At makita karon mga higala, Jagna is playing much more aggressive on offense. Fast break, layups, as Pondok tries another jumper and cuts the lead to 1. Galolo, still by Morata. Morata is running. Morata, behind the back. Morata, uy, na-slide. Delikado si Morata, mga kaibigan. As you can see also in his foot, no? Huwag maklaro sa kamera. Morata is wearing an ankle brace. There is really something up sa yung ankle. Pero iniyon siya kanina sa itong interview. He is ready to play and get this championship for Tagbilaran City. Morata, long three. 2 misses for Morata on the 3-pointer now. Amora runs again. Nunez challenges Morata.
Out of bounds. Hernandez ball. 14 seconds shot clock.
Hamora hits from the outside. That's Jagna's second 3-pointer. And if you watched Jagna's previous games, that is the specialty of the house for this team. Their 3-pointers and their fast break transition offense. Hamora, Golondrina, another 3. Short, but Hamora gets the rebound and the ball! Sayang ang putback.
We have a foul. Foul on jersey number 16. Substitution. Bautista for Pasaga. First personal foul, Pasaga. First team foul.
Pero for 3. Oh! The Garcia gym is loud right now. Pero with Jagna's third three-pointer.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 20, Vince Beto. First personal foul, first team foul.
Shout out sa ating 6.5K viewers. This is the finals of the Juniors Division of the Governor's Cup 2023. Jagna already has 3 three-pointers, mga higala. Here's Murata. Nice pass to Localiano. Localiano.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 14, George Homora. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for Localiano.
So, you can see po sa Tagbilaran, Morata and Localiano are there Batman and Robin, kumbaga. These two have very good chemistry. You can see Morata finds Localiano underneath for the nice pass, but he fails to make both free throws. Golondrina tells his wards to slow down, but still Bautista steals it. But I think that will be
Foul on jersey number 17, Jenray Golondrina.
will be that the unsportsmanlike foul?
Third team foul. 5 minutes and 55 seconds.
Wala, it's
remaining
normal
time
foul
for
ra.
the first quarter.
Morata with the ball. To the corner to Pundok. Again, Morata. Morata, nice pass to Abeng. Abeng, miss. Fast break to Golondrina versus Pundok. Golondrina all the way. 15-8. Jagna, 7-point lead. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Oh, too strong. Delikado nga pasa.
Out of bounds.
Mga kaibigan.
Pumatong for Abe.
Hamora spins. What a pass! What a pass! Martin Hamora. To Salarda, number 1. Sa itong interview po ni ganina ni Hamora, no? He said that nag-practice gid sila maayo and he lauds his team's competitiveness and perseverance on practice. Ga-practice gid sila ayo aron makadaog sila and mga game 3 pa. Salarda, pull-up jumper. That will be an early attempt at the shot clock by Salarda. Questionable shot. Could have looked for more better opportunities. As Morata misses his third 3. Golondrina to Nunez. Nunez to Golondrina. Short jumper. Rebound by Salarda. Salarda!
Basket down for
Sumabay ka pa! By Rene Salarda. The bucket plus the foul.
Timeout, Tagbilaran.
Jagna leads Tagbilaran City by 11 here early in the first quarter.
personal foul on Pumato. Second team foul. One bonus throw for Rene Salarda.
Salarda for this extra free throw, but no good. This is number 4. Not familiar with apelido. Costan. Makwa is open. He takes the 3, but misses. Jagna with another chance. Golondrina, 4 on 3. Nunez, but stolen by Bautista. Nunez, counter steal. Nunez, strong, no, stolen. Salarda wants to calm things down. Hamora thought about the 3, drives this time. Blocked. Makwa, 2v2. Makwa pass, Bautista. And it's fouled by Golondrina.
Jersey number 17, Janray Golondrina. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution, Victor Tan for Golondrina.
Bautista sinks the first free throw. In and out goes the second one. Salarda again in the corner. Bero. Oh! Jagna is raining 3 on Tagbilaran City. Kaupat nga 3 sa Jagna. And a steal! Oy, ba't nasobraan og pasa? Ni Salarda sayang. 22-9. 13 ang labaw sa Jagna. Gipauwanan na nag-3 karon sa Jagna ang Tagbilaran. Localiano, long jumper, no. Rebound by Pumatong, and Pumatong puts it back happening. Hamora being pressured. Now, Salarda, strong drive.
Foul on jersey number 22, Pumato. Second personal foul, third team foul.
Makwa spins, drops, Localiano
John Nico Luciliano
stops the bleeding for Tagbilaran City. Nunez, wala. Bautista is running, 5 on 3. Bautista finds Localiano to Pumatong, reverse. Salarda, the huge board. Behind the back. Wala.
Substitution, Ranieses for Jake Nunez.
Localiano to Costan, to Pumatang. Oh! Sorry, miss. Wala ni Sabod ay ang attempt.
5-second shot clock.
But Costan, here's Makwa. Jumper, wala. Rebound Bautista. Localiano. And he It's foul.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 14, George Hamora. Second personal foul, Hamora. Penalty. Timeout, Team Jagna. With 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Back to the ball game with 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining time for the first quarter.
Out of bounds. In the sideline.
Substitution, Antopina for Lociliano. Morata for Pomato. 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Hamila. Pero another 3. He's already got 2. And he's got 3. 3-pointers. Number 20. Pero of Jagna. Grabe. Init na kaayo. Si Idol.
Jersey number 20, Vince Pero.
Murag si Mijares
Second
kanina.
personal foul, penalty.
That is Beros. Third 3-pointer of the ball game. Hamila almost loses it. And Hamila is fouled. Tagbilaran officials, the coaching staff is asking for an 8-second violation on the referees.
Foul on jersey number 4 of Tagbilaran. Warning for improper bench decorum. Warning for technical team Tagbilaran for improper bench decorum.
That is a warning for technical sa team Tagbilaran. Okay, they were pointing at the scoreboard. 14 seconds na lang, so 8-second shot clock on to. Oh! Galolo! With a follow-up shot. Bautista drains the baseline jumper to cut the lead down to 12, 28-16, 42 seconds left. Banggaan by number 10 versus number 8 Antopina of Tagbilaran City. That was Hernandez. And I think he got called the offensive foul. Offensive foul on Hernandez. Costan. Makwa, drop. Antopina. Yes. Easy. Jumper. Now there's a commotion. Oh! But that is an ating offensive foul underneath on the jumper by Antopina.
Foul on number 19, Murata.
So, the call is basket count katong jumper ni Antopina. Pero lang, foul si Murata na natumba sa ubos.
Warning for penalty, Tagbilaran.
This is Tan. Cross court. Tobero. Almost intercepted by Makwa. Tan fakes the pass. Tan to Galolo. Number 12 is not
Foul
familiar.
on jersey number 26, Makwa. Penalty situation. First personal foul, Makwa. 21 seconds. Seconds.
15 seconds left. 11 points. Oh, what an alley-oop play. But missed by Makwa.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds left. Let's see if Jagna is able. Oh, but still by Murata. Murata goes for the lumipad na layup again. Horace Murata. Lumipad na naman si Idol.